Welcome students to your new science class, and let us start. I promised you that I will bring one activity class today regarding our helpers, right? Last day in our textbook we went through the textbook, we read out that who are the social helpers of our society, and I told you, I gave you one activity that you will read the chapter 2 times on your own. So everyone did it? Everyone went through the chapters for 2 times? Yes or no? I think everyone has done it, right? All my students are very good. Yes, very good. I was expecting the same from all of you. Now, today I am going to show you some pictures on the board, and you will tell me that what is the name of these helpers. Okay, so the first picture is, let us find out, and that is, so I hope you can see it very nicely. So I am sticking it on the board. Let me today little bit use this side. Okay, so here is your first picture, you can see on the board, and yes, I got the first answer also. I received first answer from Rudra Aditya, second from Ashmita, and who is the third one to give me the answer? Let's see. Sanstita is writing something. So let us see. Yes, that is Simran Gardner. Very good. So here we will write the first helper is Gardner. Gardner. So everyone please pick up your copy pencil and write the words along with me. Okay, so our topic will be, I hope everyone has seen this one, so let me take it aside. Yes, now is appropriate. Now I can write the heading for all of you. So here comes our heading. I hope you can see our helpers, right? So the first one is Gardner. Let us go for the next one, and let me see how many of my students can identify this picture. So here is the one who is, yes, who is here to cook food for all of you. Food for all of you. Okay, so who will tell me? Yes, very nice, Rudra Aditya. Shami Prabhu, I didn't get your answer, beta. Water means? It's chef. He is the person who makes or cooks food in the hotels or restaurants. Okay, so the next word is chef. Everyone is writing? Okay, let's go for the third one. Okay, so I'm just taking out these two. Now I will go for the third one, and the third one is this one. So let's see who is the first one to give me the answer. Yes, very good. Here comes our third helper, that is barber. Excellent, excellent. Everyone has given the correct answer. Now let's identify our new helper, and let us see who is this. So, who is these students? Can you identify this person? Let me see who are the one who can identify these people. No, yes. Who has given Dr. Priyam? He is not a doctor. He is postman. Exactly. Though usually nowadays postmen are not using their uniform, but postmen used to wear particular uniforms like this. Okay. So here comes postman. Postman. Okay. So barber, postman. Now let us identify the person who is the next one, and here is he. Can you identify this helper? Can you identify this helper? Let us see. Yes, I got some answers. Will you able to see here? Yes. I think there will be a little bit problem, so I am just taking it over here. And here comes your new one. Yes, everyone has given the correct answer. It's plumber. Number 5, it's plumber. It's plumber. So the first one was gardener. Here is the gardener. The first one is the gardener who, what happened? What did he did? I hope you can see it now. He takes care of our garden, right? Next is chef who cooks food in hotels or restaurants. Barber who helps us to trim our hair. Postman, he is the person who delivers letters to our house. And here comes the plumber, the person on whom we depend that our leakages will be repaired by this person. Okay, so these are the person who helps us to do our work properly and very nicely. So students, today we did the activity with our 5 social helpers. You will write these words in your copy and you will take the image and send it to me. These words you will write 2 times. Okay, each and every word you will write 2 times, and then after you will learn the spellings also. Okay, so I conclude my class over here, and I will be back again with your new class next day. Okay, so 2 times. Shama Prabhu, please write down each and every word 2 times, learn it, and then after send it to me. Rudraditya, 2 times. Everyone, very nice, excellent. Now again you will write these words. First learn it, then after write 2 times. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye.